I need to go through my freezers. I need to kind of take inventory of what I have, which kind of sounds crazy, but only bad thing is the power just went out. I have no idea why. My sweet, sweet besties, how are we doing today? I'm doing fabulous. However, we are spending the day in the kitchen. I have so much I need to do. As you can see, I have to put this stuff away. I have Christmas ornaments I need to put away. My Christmas tree is back there. And I have a little pile of stuff behind me that we might get to, we might not, but our focuses for the day are, hold on, I need to put my hair up. I am like sweating already. It's back to not being cold in Florida, so it feels like summer again. Oh, I wish it was freezing here. I really do. I was born in the wrong state. All right. Hair is up, I can breathe. So here's the plan of attack. I have a grocery order coming from Whole Foods and I got some stuff from Publix for Nick. So that's coming. I need to put those away. I also need to clean out my freezers. As you probably noticed, I have been doing a little freezer clean out series on my channel. So basically, I'm just trying to go through my freezers and use the stuff up. And it's really important I do that again this year because I only did it a few times last year, to be honest. So I need to go through my freezers. I need to kind of take inventory of what I have, which kind of sounds crazy, but I have no idea what we even have anymore. Everything gets shoved to the back and it's like my toxic trait. We all know this. I need to go through the freezers. Hold on, I wrote a list. What else did I write? Yeah, we have to feed my sourdough starter. I'm gonna move the dog food into that freezer, which I think is a better idea. And I need to finish cleaning off this island and cook dinner for tonight. So that is all that I hope to get done today. We'll see how far we get, but I do have therapy first right now, actually. So we're gonna do that. And then I think right after that, the groceries are coming and then we can get the show on the road. All right, besties, therapy is done. That was really good. What did I learn today? I wrote everything down so I wouldn't forget. With my ADHD, I need to be a little bit more patient with myself, and the fact that I'm kind of all over the place is okay. And if I just set a timer and make it a game, I can like get whatever I want to get done in a room, I'll get that done. And I don't have to follow anybody else's timeline. Like I can make my own schedule. I have the ability and I have the freedom to make my own schedule, which is wonderful. And sometimes it can feel crippling because I feel like I need to make the most of every single second and be so productive. Well, that's not realistic. So we talked about more manageable expectations for myself and more realistic expectations to put on myself and more fulfilling things I could be doing. So I'm adding more joy to my life. So that was a good session. Only bad thing is the power just went out. I have no idea why. So now I need to figure that one out. I really hope it comes back on because we're getting groceries and I need to put them away. I already did my journaling. I don't really want to show it, but I did my journaling for the session where I write down everything we went over and then whatever like experiments or homework that I have for the week or things that I want to remember to work on, because unless I write it down, I totally forget everything we talked about in the session and what I want to work on. So this week I'm working on writing out a list of things that make me feel good. And I want to set a timer, like I said, in a room and see how much I can get done and not force myself to do one specific thing. Just see what feels good. Just go in the room, clean whatever I want. The power is back on, as you can see. I guess there was something wrong with our auto pay, which is so weird, but we need to feed the ladies my little sourdough starter. I've had this sourdough going for a couple months now. I am so proud. I feed her every day. And what I do is I just pour half of this out and pour half into a new container. And then this was the new container, obviously, that I mixed it in. I think you're supposed to use equal parts water and flour, but I don't measure it. I just kind of pour in water and then pour in flour until I get a pancake-like consistency, like a really thick pancake. So one task is done. Do you all want to haul while I'm here putting these groceries away anyway? Got some muffins. I've been obsessed with muffins lately. This I didn't order. I think they accidentally gave me this, or it was supposed to be something else. Got some green beans and some chili beans because I'm gonna be making some chili today. I love these little snacks. They're so delish. I got some micro greens so I can put them in a pesto pasta. And then I got some biscuits, stocked back up on milk for me and then for Nick, and then just cheese for the chili and ground beef for the chili. And everything else is in here. I did get a case of the Mountain Valley spring water to have on hand because it's one of my favorite waters. And then I got these 2 waters to feed the ladies with, my sourdough starter. Another milk for Nick. Clearly I'm making chili because I got a chili packet. And then 2 things of diced tomatoes for chili. I got some ghee for cooking with. I'm really craving a bagel, so I got some whipped cream cheese. Peanut butter mush is my favorite oatmeal thing for breakfast. Blueberries, chicken for recipes, strawberries, pears, and apples. Some sourdough bread. And then 2 just organic cotton hygiene things. These are cotton rounds, and these are Q-tips. So that is all that I got from Whole Foods. Time for some lunch. I have been obsessed with 3 Natives. It's so good. I got this little acai bowl with bananas, strawberries, granola, and peanut butter, and the acai at the bottom. Nick got the same thing plus a wrap, but I got a smoothie instead. This one is called All Hopped Up, and it's like coffee and chocolate and banana. So good. We love the antioxidants. I'm gonna eat this now though, and then Nick can eat his. You can get it. All right. Hello, besties. I took a break yesterday from doing all the freezer stuff. I got super overwhelmed by the thought of taking everything out, and there was so much on my island. So I ended up just off camera cleaning my island. And this morning, it's a brand new day, by the way, I have some reinforcements, some moral support. I got some lineage. So I am ready to go. I also got my pumpkin muffin because like I said, I'm on a muffin kick. I really need to get off of it because it is not great for my blood sugars. And it does not make me feel the best long term. I don't know why I'm having a muffin obsession right now, but it's okay. We'll get through it. You know what I can do? I'll just eat like a quarter of it and then it won't really affect my blood sugars. And then I'll have enough energy to continue throughout the day. So that is actually a really good idea. Traffic was crazy. There was construction everywhere near UCF. And so that was kind of a stressful drive. I wanted like a nice peaceful morning drive, but I forget that I live in a college town and people are wild. But anyway, let's get it together. Let's drink our coffee. Let's eat our muffin and get on to the freezer, which I have been avoiding. He's so happy to see me. Hi, baby. As you can see, we made amazing progress in the kitchen. Don't look at the dishes. Well, actually, yeah, look at them. I have to do them. Actually, I think Nick is gonna do them. He said he'd do them for me, which is perfect. But we need some light, camera, action. You're on, Pooch. What a beautiful day. I'll show you my muffin, by the way. Fabulous. It's really good. I should cut it before I forget that I was gonna eat a 1/4 of it. And also, if you're new here, I have PCOS, so I'm not like counting sugars or anything or counting any macros. I just try to make sure that I eat as balanced as possible because my PCOS will suffer if I don't. All right, I'm gonna have a little breakfast and then we're gonna get to work. we have everything out. It is time to go through all this. I have a little garbage pile going right here, but I need to put everything that is similar together because I need some sort of organization because this is out of control. I think I'm gonna start with veggies. I think that'll be the easiest to put away. I did not expect to have this many appetizers, so I think I'm gonna put these away next. This is like a little pile of Nick specific stuff. This is a little pile of pasta things. I still have a ton to put away, but we're looking good. It's going really fast. It's only been 20 minutes, so we're doing really good, but let's keep it going. Okay, next I think I'm gonna put away the dog food and the ice packs just to get them out of the way. And I'm making some amazing progress, so let's keep going. This is the throwaway or expired pile, stuff that I've had for too long. Like these are freezer burned. This was from like Christmas or something. These are freezer burned for sure. And we aren't gonna eat this stuff. I'm gonna throw this away and we will reconvene. All right, so I figured I would show you the end result of our hard work. So on this side of the freezer, I have the boys' food. And then down here, I already forgot what I put here. Oh yeah, the ice packs are all in here. And then I have meat, so like steak, chicken nuggets, and meatballs that I meal prepped, all in this door because I didn't really know where to put them. I would like to put them deeper into the freezer when space is available, so maybe I'll move the meat and the ice packs. This is subject to change, but this is just what I have for now. So the top two shelves are all veggies. This bottom shelf is random. It's like pasta and stuff. I really want to change the layout, but for right now, this is what's in here. And then the door of the freezer is berries and fruit on the second row, little potato products on the last row. Now for this freezer right here, we have a crap ton of appetizers for some reason, so all the appetizers are right here. I have my omelets in this middle row, and then I have backup butters back there for baking. This is all breakfast stuff. It's completely full. In here we have pizza, tortillas, and this is something that Nan made us. And then up here, I have Nick specific food, so this is stuff that basically only he eats. In the middle is random too. I didn't know where to put this. It's just rice and a sauce. And then over here is desserts. The random pumpkin pie that I had from Thanksgiving, some of Nick's ice creams, and our croissants. So this is what it's looking like right now. I think what I'm gonna do right now is take a break because I'm a little tired from going through everything. And I do want to make a note of everything that I have. So I'm going to write down like specific meal ideas that I have. My sweet besties. I know my face is red. Just ignore it. I just got a facial. I realized I had never actually cooked in this video like I intended to. It's just been a crazy week. The next freezer video I put out for this challenge, I am going to actually be cooking for most of the video. So look forward to that. But anyways, besties, I love you. Make sure you give yourself a little extra love today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.